Yeah. Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? It's easy. You sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
Incoming!
I'm feeling a lot of love, man.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to Race Day.
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, only the best. Pick up! Oh, yes. Look! Oh, what one time! Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch hard.
Get it into the groove. So pay attention.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for me.
Because we made new friends.
We won!
Now listen. When your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings